Hey, how's it going, YouTube? It is Outdoor Guy 365 coming at you with another video today. Today we have the other car in my family's collection. This is the 2021 Toyota Rav 4, the gas model, not the hybrid. This one is not in the hybrid version because the person who drives this vehicle did not want the hybrid version, but that's okay. Still gets great miles per gallon, and it's also still a Toyota, so it's still very reliable. So today what we're going to do is we're going to change out these wiper blades, and this one is particularly easy, and I like the way that Toyota has designed these blades, whoever makes them for Toyota. These are genius blades, and I will show you why in just a second. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab my flathead screwdriver. The passenger side on this car is a 16-inch wiper blade that we are replacing. The driver's side is a 26, which we will replace in succession after we do the passenger one. This won't take long, so just really quickly I'm gonna unbox the wiper blades. Yes, I got the Michelin all season blades that come from Costco, so that's what I have here. They're just the plain, well, not plain, but all weather, all season condition ready. So that's what we're going to install here, guys. So that I'm just going to take the stuff out of the box, and we're just going to quickly unpackage these and we'll get started. So as I take these out of the box, we don't need the directions really, because this is a quick, fast, easy replacement. Whoops, dropped a little bit of the couple of the clips, but I don't need those on this car. So I kind of got started a little quickly here, but here's the little latch on the Rav4 here. Let me bring the camera in closer so people could see. The latch is right here, so all you have to do is take the screwdriver, pop it in there, and it's that easy. Okay, you pop it in, open it up, and you take the wiper, push back on it, and it will come, whoops, and it will come right off if you let it. So I slid it back. Sorry, need the second hand, and just give it a little tug one way and lift up, and this is what comes off of there. So we're going to put the new wiper on, but I like this that it just flips on there and it secures. That's pretty freaking genius. I like that. Might have to figure out who makes these. Anyways, so on this wiper, we're just going to pull the clip, take the plastic slider off here, off the bottom of the blade, then take this, flip it up. Here is our wiper going into the slot, the wiper arm. Okay, if you can see, it's that simple. It is in there, and all I have to do is press down a little bit on it, give it a tug. You guys heard a click, right, guys? Yep. So then all I have to do is go click. Wiper is installed. I know it's getting kind of dark out here, so that's why I'm moving kind of quick. Other side, we have that one, same setup. There's that one in the box here. So we will quickly, nice beautiful sunset out here. I'm just working, so we're going to take this second box and unbox it. So you see the wiper is up right now, but I'll quickly put that down because the park switch doesn't allow this set of wipers on this car to stay in the upright position. That's kind of a pain in the butt, but I guess maybe it's just a safety mechanism or feature that's on this car. So again, we don't need any of the extra stuff. Again, take this clip off, take this cover of the actual wiping mechanism itself, take it off, recycle, and we open this arm up, And now we are going to take and put this wiper arm down. We're going to come in closer so that way the people, everybody here, all you guys and people can see. So that, again, we just go pop. Super simple. Slide the wiper this time towards you, and then just kind of I'm filming with one arm, and the wiper just comes off just by wiggling it. Okay guys, it's really super simple, really super easy. So we'll get that one out of the way. Here comes the new wiper. Oops, I gotta make sure it's positioned the right way. Here we go. And all we do is get the wiper arm up in here. Okay. So we can see this wiper arm is now down and in here, right? Okay. And all you gotta do is push the wiper now, like we did, but now we do it away from us. And click, it's in. We heard a click. And like that, wiper blades changed on 2021 Toyota RAV4. So that does it. Quick, under 7-minute wiper blade change and installation. Hopefully you were able to see that fairly clearly here. Give me a like, give me a comment. Maybe I'll have to do it a different time when it's not dark outside, but yeah, that's all. Now to clean up my mess here and go inside and have some dinner or supper. So, all right guys, talk to you later. Bye-bye.